Well, hey y'all, and welcome back. Welcome back. This video is brought to you by Arabella Hair. And in this video, we are going to be looking at this 13 by 4 glueless lace frontal long straight 22-inch undetectable transparent lace child. Now let's get into this box. Now, honey, we got lashes. We got a baby hair brush. We got a melt belt. We got a clip. We got wig caps. We got another clip. Decorative. And here is the 22-inch wig, honey. Yes, God. Now look at that natural brown color. Long, straight. I absolutely love the flow of this wig. And just look how my hands go through it, child. No shed and wear. Shed. Oh, okay. No, 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 no. I thought a shedding wig said something. Now, as you can see, these I've been on YouTube University, so those are single knots in the front, and then we got double knots in the back. Here is your standard cap construction, honey, with that strap. Yes, God, that's a plus. Now this strap is sewn into the lace. I was all right with that. I was all right with that. That made it actually tighter. But you got your standard combs at the top, your one comb in the back. And let's get started on beautifying this lace. Now, this is my first time doing this. We grow together, we go together. So y'all gonna go on this journey with me to get this wig plucked from my mommy, okay? Because she has been trying to find a straight wig that she likes, but of course she has no idea of how to pluck them, and we out here trying to be frugal, okay? Frugal Freddies. These are the items I will be using today. I got me some cheap little volume 5 shampoo, honey. You ain't got to break the bank. I got me a little brush to put the bleach on. I got my pouch of bleach. I didn't get a whole bunch because I don't know how I'm going to feel about, bleach or knots and stuff. But I got my new tweezers for the plucking, okay? And then my bowl. We don't use it no more. It's usually used for cleaning. So don't be like, y'all going to eat out that bowl? No. All right, and here we go. Got on my handy dandy gloves. Child, got that latex. Safety first. Yes. And I got my pouch here. Now, I went to cosmetology school, but you would swear up and down that we didn't have all this. It wasn't this advanced at the time. But I'm going to go ahead and mix. I am mixing by the voice of the ancestors. That's not a good consistency according to YouTube University. It's supposed to be like a toothpaste kind of deal. And if you heavy-handed such as myself, press less. Okay? Press less. Don't press so hard that you get the bleach to squeeze through. Now, what I did do off camera is I wet the hair down and I sprayed a little bit of got to be on the hair so I can keep it all back. Of course, you got some unruly flyaways, but luckily they were so saturated that they did not get any bleach on them. So as you can see me back there looking rough, and that's all right. That's all right, because y'all know mommy cleans up nice. But I absolutely love this wig. I got my little wig head. I got my little stand. You can't tell me nothing. Okay? Nothing. If you did try and tell me, I wouldn't listen. But I did speed it up here just because I didn't even want to be in the camera. Like, I wanted y'all to get a full showcase of this wig. And there will be more of these chels. So we're going to get better with the camera angles. We're going to get better with all of that. But for now, I just want y'all to, go, let me just start by saying I'm in no way, shape, form, or fashion a professional. I literally attended YouTube University like a lot of us to learn how to do this because I'm cheap. And I would much prefer to learn how to do this on my own so that I can bring y'all these reviews from my hands only. Okay? And there it is. Now, the little unruly hairs you see, those go back. So that's not the hairline. I did wash it off camera and look at that. Now, I lifted it to my mommy's skin tone and she does not wear baby hairs. So this is after I let the wig air dry and then I blew dry it just a little bit because I did not have the best flat iron, but this is the side I have already plucked. I plucked one side off camera because if I failed miserably, I ain't need y'all seeing all that. Okay? I ain't need y'all seeing all that. So this is just showing you what I've plucked versus what's not plucked. And the only difference is just the weight of it and you can just tell like the form. So that's all that really changed. And I always make sure to go in and separate the hair. You don't just start plucking from the hairline. Made that mistake a while back. And then I learned another technique of how to turn your what's the things called? Tweezers. Okay, so I'm pressing the hair out of the way so I don't accidentally pluck the wrong hair. I did notice that whenever I plucked with my sharp end facing, with my sharp end facing forward, I was pulling like holes in the lace. We don't want to do that. So you turn it the opposite direction, and I plucked backwards. I didn't slow this part down because I did do a lot of plucking. So I sped that up, but you pluck literally to your liking. There is no guide to plucking, just don't pluck it bald, of course. That defeats the purpose of buying hair if you're going to pluck it all out. Okay. But as you can see here, I'm plucking it according to my mother's hairline. I'm not going to cut the lace because I'm going to let her do that. Or I'm going to do that when I put that on her. This is the amount of hair that I plucked out. So please be careful and do not underestimate your plucking. Okay. Have made that mistake before too. Over plucking. So that's why I just really don't engage. But now I am just flat ironing this wig, honey. And I really wish I had my good flat iron out. This flat iron was so bad I didn't even put heat protectant on it just because it does not get up to a high voltage or high heat. So it didn't even make no sense to put, heat protectant on it. I just kind of wanted to get a feel of how it would look straight. But once I get it all lustered up and whatnot, of course, I am going to bring it back to you. But I absolutely had fun doing this wig. I don't know how people sit up and do this all day, child. My ADD got to acting up. But stay tuned for my thoughts on this wig. Okay, y'all. Now, like I said in the video, I was customizing this wig for my mommy. Mama is dense, okay? Mama dense. And I may take a video to show y'all how long she is. Hold on. But I think you can see she's sitting right on top of the thing. So this is if you want to wear your whole hair. You feel me? Okay? She's soft. I packed my good flat iron, so I could only do what I could do. But I am going to update y'all when I put this on mommy. But I did bleach the knots, as you seen. And of course, this isn't bleached, but that is. Okay, she's giving scalp. Okay, she's giving no concealer, and she's definitely giving no stocking cap underneath. I want to thank Arabella for providing me with this wig. Now, just a couple of things for all my big head girls of the world. This wig, I got a lot of slack in it, and I do have the strap on it, and it is still too big, so she is very big head friendly. I don't really have no dislikes about. I'm thinking about giving her to my mama now, goddamn. But for Mother's Day, this is definitely gonna be her girl. Like, okay, so I have not got good with the baby hairs yet. This is my first time, as y'all heard in the video. Okay, we go together, we grow together. Okay, love, family for life. But a bitch must say, these inches don't look half bad. Okay, but once I learned these baby hairs, now my mom does not wear baby hairs, so 9 times out of 10 these won't be there on her. I just said fuck it on splitting the baby hairs down the middle. I just said put them on there. But as you can see, hands going through her, I got one piece. And I don't even know if y'all can see that. But that's after plucking. I didn't get any shedding prior to plucking her. I did show y'all all the hair I plucked out of her. So, there her go. There her girl. Girl, I can't wait to put this on her and melt this bitch into her scalp. But I love it, Arabella Hair. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for thinking of little old me to... Ow, I hit my hand. Blur it out. Thank you so much for thinking of little old me to send this bomb-ass wig to. Now, listen. Unless you got AC in the car, or in the house or a fan of some sort, because mama thick. She real thick. Mama thick. Okay, so with that being said, look at her, girl. She is luscious. But I got it done. I bleached the knots. I did it by myself. And I'm going to start taking y'all with me, because if I'm going to be doing hair reviews, sweetie, I need to know how to do my own hair like this. Okay, because people be wanting to charge you an arm and a leg just to put a wig on. I don't have time to play with nobody and these shitcoins in this pandemic. But I thank y'all so much for watching. Again, everything is going to be in the description below. Bitch, y'all look good. Let me talk to y'all. Okay, everything for the wig is going to be in the description below. Girl, this is me, okay? So go down to the description, hit that link, letting them know Natalie Love sent you. Let me know what y'all think. Should I not give this wig to mommy? Because I feel her. I'm feeling her. Like, at first I was like, she going to be way too long. But the longer I stand here with her, I'm getting back to my roots. You feel me? I'm getting back to my 21 trying to fuck. Y'all in my business. Okay. Thank y'all so much again for watching. I love y'all. Till next time. Bye.